Law of indices oblique exponent and power. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m by n, a to the power n is equal to a minus a to the power m minus n. A to the power m power n is equal to a to the power m n. A to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. A into b into c power m is equal to a cube m, b to the power m, c to the power n. A to the power 0 is equal to 1 when a not is equal to 0. Root over square root of a is equal to a to the power 1 by n. A to the power x is equal to a to the power y, then x is equal to y where a not is equal to 0. A by b to the power m division a by b to the power n is equal to a by b m minus n. Law of indices and exponent power very important for basics problem.